What up, Smiley Gang? Today we're gonna try some like out of the country stuff. So today we're gonna try. I always want to try this when I was going to the store. Like I always want to know what it tastes like. So I've seen a lot. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and grab it so I can do a video on this. So today we're gonna try. It ain't new, but I've been seeing this store. I always want to try it. So today we're gonna try Pocky's strawberry and cookie and cream. So let's go in and let's see what this Pocky's about. We're gonna try, since I like cooking and cream, so we're gonna try cooking and cream first. I hope it. Hold up, wait, got in package. This what it like in the package, right there. It smells like a cookie, but not all the way a cookie. And this what it like on the stick. This the cookie and cream. So let's go in and let's see what it tastes like. I can taste the cookie, but I don't know wherever this brown part right here is. I don't know what it is, but it give me like a not like a weird taste, but like a taste bud. I gotta try it again so I can really tell you. You taste the cream. It tastes like a. I don't know. I can't really tell you about the cookie one, but the cookie is good, but it's just the brown part. It giving you like a taste I can't tell you about too much about, because I can't really explain to you. So we're gonna try next. We're gonna try the strawberry. Get the other first. Now this the strawberry one. See how it's creamy, but I hope it tastes better, not too better, but better than the cookie and cream. So let's go in and let's see what it tastes like. But I ain't gonna lie, before I say, you can smell the strawberry. Oh, I like the strawberry better than the cookie and cream. Yep. I say it gives me the same taste like the other one. Like I want to say like a. I can't say it like I want to say it, but it's giving me like a weird like a taste. So please, I recommend please go try that Pocky cooking cream and strawberry. Me personally, I like the strawberry better than the cooking cream. But that's it for the video. So make sure you leave a like, comment, share the video, and comment below anything you want to see on my channel. Don't matter what it is, I'm going to try my best to go find it for you and do a video on it. So I'll let you know to buy or no buy. So thank you for watching and see you next time, Smiley Gang.